So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to automatically send your Google Forms responses into an n8n workflow, you can do it using the Google Sheet connected your form, and here's how. Firstly, make sure Node.js 18 or later is installed. Open your terminal and run npm install n8n g. Then start n8n with n8n command. Open your localhost in your browser. Then open your Google form and go to the Responses tab. Click the Google Sheets icon and create or select a spreadsheet. Your form responses will now be stored in that sheet. Now open n8n and create a new workflow. Click Add First Step and search for Google Sheets. Choose the trigger on row added or updated. Now click Select Credential and choose Create a new credential. You'll need to connect your Google account using the required Google Cloud credentials, such as your client ID and client secret. Now, select the Google Sheet connected to your form and test the trigger. Submit a test response through your Google form and check that n8n receives the new row. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.